Car sliding. What the hell? So yeah, I didn't mean to park on this side of the driveway. The car just slid that way, and you know, summer tires, there's zero, and hopefully it doesn't just slide off the driveway, as you guys can see here. So it only took about 7 months to get a freaking plate, but here it is. Do you guys like it? I think it's perfect for this car, and I'll explain here in a second. But before we do that, welcome back to another video on the channel. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever, and that's probably because it's been forever. I feel like I owe you guys an update of what's going on with the new truck and so on, so that's what we're going to talk in today's update video. As you can see, I'm not driving a new truck yet. I'm still driving the C63. It's salty as hell. I run it through car washes all the time just to get the salt off. We're going to talk about that in a second as well. But some might wonder why I got OG C63 for this car, because the OG on the channel is really the hydro-locked one, and that's kind of true. That was the first one I had. But the W204 is the original C63. It's the first one they built from the ground up with the engine and everything. The older ones were just kind of bolt-on parts on regular C-classes, E-classes, and so on. This is the original one, and that's why I got this plate. I don't know, because of COVID, it took forever to get here, but it's finally here. Enough about a boring plate. Now, in this envelope right here, I have a buyer's order for a truck that I have bought. And that's because I decided on the 2021 F150 that I had initially ordered, of course. And in the last video we had on the channel, I kind of left you guys with a cliffhanger and a decision that I had to make of buying a truck before the end of the year. Today is New Year's Eve. It's December 31st. Happy New Year's to everyone out there. Now, the reason for the last video was because of tax purposes. I have to get that money out. I have to buy a truck before the end of the year. And what we actually did was that we did the paperwork. Since the truck is built and I have the VIN number for it and everything, you can actually buy the truck before it arrived. I kind of teased you guys with possibly buying a GMC, possibly buying a Dodge, and I went back and forth, and the truck, of course, that I really want is the 2021 F150. But it's not here yet, and I've been given dates of when it's supposed to be here. Initially, I was given December 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve. It never arrived. And today I'm standing here, New Year's Eve, no truck. And they're giving me a new ETA of December or January 3rd through the 9th, possibly. So that's next week. Hopefully the truck arrives. I mean, I don't know, like, I know you guys have been waiting for the truck to get here. Trust me, I have as well. And it's been Christmas. Basically what I've been doing is just hanging out with the family, just taking it easy. Many times when I don't upload, maybe there's 5 days in between an upload. It's not like I'm not doing anything. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes and so on. But during this time that I've been gone, like 2 weeks, I've just been hanging out with my wife and Sydney, pretty much just relaxing, doing nothing. So again, I mean, I know I've said this in millions of videos. I'm sorry there hasn't been an upload, but that's the reason why. I've just been chilling. But I wanted to shoot this video quickly for you guys as like a year-end video, because the next video on the channel is going to be next year, and let you guys kind of know what's going on. I've already ordered wheels for the new truck. I'm in talks with the BDS regarding a suspension and so on. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff going on. It's just that the freaking truck is not here yet, and that's what I'm left with, just waiting. It's boring. So I've just been driving the AMG around whenever I need to get somewhere. Like I said, it's salty, it's horrible. I've been driving through car washes, and this happened the other day. Well, I was sitting in a car wash. I was actually just exiting the car wash, and then boom, cracked my front windshield. I don't know how it happened. I guess it's some kind of stress fracture, but I don't know exactly what caused it. It wasn't while brushes were on the car or anything like that. Just very weird. So that will need to be taken care of course. Just a quick little update on the AMG. The weather's been absolutely bananas here in Pittsburgh. We got massive amounts of snow. So all I've been doing is just shoveling the driveway. So yeah, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. There's a cat, another one of our cats. There's not a soul out here except for, you know, plow trucks and stuff like that. And here's the AMG. We haven't gotten this much snow in like, there you are, at least 5 years. What's up, dude? We let the cats out. They're all confused. They don't know what to do. So yeah, I got a lot of shoveling to do. Once we're in godly hours of the day, I'll have to go buy one of those snow blasters or whatever they're called and just take care of this. Look at him trekking through the snow. So yeah, I mean, it hasn't been very eventful. Like I said, I've just been chilling out the whole time, doing nothing, just, I guess, being off for the holidays. So that's the quick little update video that I have for you guys here before the end of the year. The Raptor is the only Ford truck in the driveway currently. The Danger Ranger will be back here soon. It's been sitting elsewhere for a little while, and then we're gonna have the new F150 here hopefully next week. And it gets kind of repetitive and boring, not the good kind of repetitive like tunnel runs. But me talking about this truck all the time and I don't have it, you know what I mean? I just wanted to get here. So the next video I'm making is of the truck, and hopefully it's early next week. And until then, I hope you guys have an amazing New Year's. I hope you had a great Christmas holiday. We're leaving 2020 behind. It's been a interesting year, I guess. Horrible year in many regards as well for many people. So it'll be interesting to get into a new year. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this update video. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.